In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website on GoDaddy step by step within 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to start a personal blog, portfolio, or an online store, GoDaddy's user-friendly interface makes setting up your website a breeze. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to sign into your GoDaddy account. Head over to the GoDaddy homepage and find the Sign In button. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Make sure you type these in correctly to avoid any access issues. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the GoDaddy dashboard. This is your command center for everything related to your GoDaddy account. To proceed, locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. This is usually an avatar or a photo you've uploaded. It's your key to accessing your account settings and products. Next, click on the My Products section. This area houses all the services and products you've purchased or signed up for with GoDaddy, including any domain names or hosting plans. It's here that you'll set the foundation for building your new website. Now look for a button or link that says Set up a free website. GoDaddy often offers a starter package for new users that includes a basic free website option. This is a great way to get your feet wet without any upfront investment. Click this option to begin the website setup process. The initial step in creating your website involves answering a series of questions. These inquiries are designed to help GoDaddy understand your website's purpose and what you aim to achieve with it. Be as detailed and accurate as possible in your responses. This information will guide the customization options and suggestions GoDaddy provides, making the setup process smoother and more tailored to your needs. After you have filled out the questionnaire, click on Continue to proceed. More questions will follow. Again, these are aimed at refining your website's design and functionality. GoDaddy uses your answers to suggest website themes, layouts, and features that match your described needs. It's important to provide comprehensive and accurate answers here to ensure your website aligns with your vision. Once you've navigated through these questions, you'll be prompted to click Continue once more. This progression is all part of GoDaddy's effort to streamline the setup process, guiding you through options and customizations step by step. The real fun begins when you start to edit your website. This is your opportunity to inject personality into your space. You can add images, text, and various elements to your pages. Think of this as arranging the layout of a room, where each piece of furniture or decor reflects an aspect of your character or business. Feel free to experiment with different configurations until you're happy with how everything looks. Finally, once you're satisfied with your website's appearance and content, it's time to publish it. Find and click on the Publish button. This action makes your website live on the internet, visible to anyone around the world. Congratulations, you've just created your website on GoDaddy. Creating a website on GoDaddy is not just about launching a site, it's about beginning a new journey, whether it's for your personal brand, business, or passion project. By following these steps, you've laid down the digital foundation upon which your online presence will grow. Remember, your website can evolve over time, so don't be afraid to make adjustments and updates as you go along. This concludes our quick guide on setting up a website with GoDaddy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out through the comment section below. Happy website building, and I look forward to seeing what you create.